We're on the Carnival Dream. I think I'm up on deck 14 or 15. This is the entrance to the big slides. It's our last sea day, the last day on the cruise. Let's just take a look around. This is the Serenity adults only area. We're heading forward. Looks like somebody spent the night out here. There's a few people up here. It's almost 8 a.m., but not quite. In there is the spa and the gym. Of course, Serenity is for adults 21 and over. So is my cabin, though. What we're going to do here is go down a set of stairs or two and walk down the length of the ship on deck 10. I just thought you'd want to see this area. It's quite large. So there's where we started, right over there. But we're going to go down right here. It's still the age of COVID, and I'm still supposed to wear a mask. So I am wearing it off and on. Now I might have to go inside to get down any further. So this is the entrance to the racing slide. And there's a stairway here. So let's just use that. Now, Carnival doesn't use a deck 13. So we're on 12, I think, or 11. Down there is the lobby, the atrium. This is the top of it. And this is the bottom of all the slides. I think they call it waterworks. Yeah, we must be on 12. Let's go down to 11. This is deck 11. And let's cross over. There's the main pool, waves pool. A couple people out this morning. Let's go down. Right here is the Red Frog Rum Bar. Not open yet. And over there is the Blue Iguana Tequila Bar. Also not open yet. Now there's a lot of people right out here today. Let's avoid them. So this is the Blue Iguana Cantina, and they make breakfast burritos, so they're working today. We're working now, at this time. And there's the people that get you coffee and juice, and they're a happy bunch. Anyway, and over here is Guy's Burger Joint. Doesn't open till noon, I think. But there's still a guy guarding it. Now he will give you a mask if you don't have your own. What a fun job. So now we're entering the gathering, which is what they call their buffet. Ice cream, yogurt, food, coffee, tea, juice. Here's where you make omelets. We're just gonna zigzag around in here. Lots of food there, lots of people working. Get a good look at that. Yogurt. Lots of people up today. I thought it would be more empty. Like I say, it's going on 8 a.m. We're heading aft, of course, on deck 10. So nobody in any of these tables yet. More coffee, more juice. Another guy attending. So some of them have people doing it for you and some of them don't. It's just weird. Here's another part of the buffet. It's closed. Now we're almost at the end of the buffet, and I want to show you that you could get an omelet made here and there's no waiting really. And this is where the sweets are, the breads, or whatever you want to call them, cereal, things like that. But they also have the other food and coffee and juice. So people congregate up in front because this is where the first food they reach. And this place is relatively empty with no lines. This is at the very back of the ship. Now we're gonna go back outside. This is the seafood place. It costs extra. Let's walk all the way back. More coffee, more juice. Another pool, a couple big hot tubs, spas, whatever you want to call them. The ship's wake. We're of course heading west. The sun has risen in the east. And I'm going to say that's probably enough, right? Since that music's playing. So Gareth from Port Monkey's saying, Port Monkey's out. See you in the next port. Bye.